The question we have on the board says solve simultaneously 2x minus y equal to 3 and 27 raised to the power x over 3 equal to y minus 1. Now, this equation on the board has one linear equation and one indicial equation. We are going to change this indicial equation to a linear equation before we can be able to solve simultaneously. Alright, so from here, 27 raised to the power x over 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power y minus 1. Now, let's change this 27 to 3 raised to the power 3. Remember, 3 times 3 will give us what? 27. So from here we'll have 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x over 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power y minus 1. Now, opening the powers here, we will have 3 raised to the power 3 times x over 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power y minus 1. This can cancel this. We are left with 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power y minus 1. Now, since we now have the same base, we can equate the powers. Now, x is equal to y minus 1. Now, let's leave this equation to be like this. Okay, so that y will come over here. We'll have y, when y crosses, we have minus y equal to minus 1. We can now solve simultaneously. Now, let's bring this down. 2x minus y equal to 3, x minus y equal to minus 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, what we're going to do now is to solve simultaneously. Okay, remember we can use elimination method, we can use substitution method. Now I'm going to use substitution method. Make x in equation 2 the subject formula. Okay, now from equation 2, x will be equal to, this will go over this side, we have minus 1 plus y. Now I can write this to be y minus 1. This and this are the same thing. Okay, so we have that x is equal to y minus 1. Now let's substitute this. We call this equation 3. We now say let's substitute this equation 3 in equation 1. Remember, from equation 2 we get our equation 3, and now we are substituting our equation 3 in equation 1. So let's go. Our equation 1 has 2x minus y equal to 3. So we have 2 times y minus 1, which is now our x, minus y is equal to 3. From here, let's open the bracket. 2 times y will give us what? 2y. 2 times minus 1, we have minus 2. Minus y is equal to 3. Now, 2y minus y will give us what? Y minus 2 equal to 3. Now, these two will cross the sign of equality, change to plus. We have y equal to 3 plus 2. Now, y is equal to 5. Having succeeded in finding the value of y, let's substitute y equal to 5 in equation 3. Here, to find the value of our x. Our equation 3 is x equal to y minus 1. Since our y is 5, we now have that x is equal to 5 minus 1. X is equal to 4. So the solution of this equation is x comma y, which is equal to 4 comma 5. This is our final answer.